To be exploring like an awesome train track place. So, and we're by a river too. So it's gonna be a cool adventure. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so we're riding right now. Okay, big rock, big rock, big rock. What? You chasing me? He was right behind you. I knew he was behind me, but I know she's like, what in the world?
Wait, she did see you?
Yeah.
What?
Why are you filming with your iPad? She was like, what in the world? Okay, cool lake. Okay, so we're taking a bumpy ride into here. Woo, it's so crazy. Why did I choose to take my bicycle? Nice clean path. No, not clean at all. Nice nature. Well, really nice nature. Okay. Let's go into the beauty side. Ah, that hurts. Like stepping into stuff. Okay, that's real bad. No! Ah! Help! Ah! Ugh! I fell.
No more vlogging.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Vlog out there. Come on.
Take your bike.
I'll film.
Okay, wait, stop. Wait.
Okay, so he fell off his bike while vlogging, so I'm gonna vlog now. Right, Jack?
Yeah.
And he had a crazy dog chasing him, and he didn't even notice. Okay, how do we... Oh, shoot, nuggets. Do this. It's so pretty, see? Oh, shoot, I'm covering the camera. Okay. Look how pretty it is. No, I'm not leaving my bike here. We have to take it close because some punks hang out here.
What?
Punks hang out here, so we have to take... Alright, so this is it. Well, this isn't it. This is just pretty. Do a dance. Okay, let's shut up.
Okay, so there's a train here coming. Oh, dang it. So this is the train track river. Sorry. Nice. Very nice. Cool. That's up there. Okay, sorry. I have to spin it. I have to look in here. Can I check up here? Can I check up here?
Yeah, but yeah.
Cool. Cool.
Here, videotape me telling the YouTubers how to know the train.
Okay.
Here, let me go.
Go.
Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to know if the train's coming.
Oh, yeah. You put your hands on the track.
So if you're ever walking, like, along the train track for some reason, like, hopefully it's for some chilling reason, then come here.
Put your head on the track.
You don't want to die. If you don't want to die, come here.
Is that tractor?
Lay down, yep. Put your ear to it. And if a train is coming, you will hear vibrations. So I will show you how to do it again.
Let me try.
Alright, hurry up. Okay. See? Do you hear anything? No.
I hear something.
Shit, let's leave then.
I hear it.
Ah! It's dangerous when you're wearing flip-flops. You do?
Yeah. I hear
You swear?
it's like It's like booming noises. Yeah.
Oh my god, careful, the poison ivy's here. I touched it.
You did?
On my toe.
Oh, good thing I have socks.
It's 6:52. Shit. Jack, we should. Damn it. I wish Mom gave us more fucking time.
Okay, so we're gonna play a game doing rocks over the bridge.
Yeah, we're going in the water. And don't worry, we're not doing this when the train's coming. We won't do that. That's dangerous. Alright. Oh. Damn it! Jack. Oh, yeah. He's better. He made it in the water. Watch. Damn it! You did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there. Oh, shoot. See that puddle back there?
Yeah, okay.
He'll do it one more time. And my finger won't be in the way this time.
That's not the water.
We saw it, though.
Wait, let me try doing this.
Dude, I hope we actually see a train so we can entertain you guys. Oh. No, it's all this train track.
Okay, so my tire popped. We had to do a 3-mile walking home. And we're going to get frozen ice cream now. And we're going to do a part 1. This wasn't part 1.
What are you talking to?
A video. And so we're going to do part 1 next weekend, maybe 2 weekends. And see you guys later. So we got ice cream. Look at that.
Aw, we're pigs.
Yeah, we're pigs.
It's so fun.
At least we exercise and we speak.
Mom's gonna kill us now. So.
Yeah, my mom's gonna kill us.
So we want to eat this in peace, but we can't because she's gonna start spamming me with text messages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, this is the end of the vlog. In 3, 2,